Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for presentations. First, open Figma and create a new design file. Set up your canvas with standard presentation slide dimensions, like 16:9 for widescreen. Use frames to define each individual slide. This approach helps maintain a consistent structure and makes organization much easier as you build out your content. Remember to leverage auto layout for efficient design. Now let's dive into designing. Create master components for elements you'll reuse, such as headers, footers, or specific icons. This ensures brand consistency and saves a lot of time. Apply your chosen typography and color styles across all slides to maintain a professional look. Explore Figma's extensive plugin library. Many can automate tasks or provide design assets, significantly speeding up your workflow. Once your design is complete, it's time to export. Select all your presentation frames in Figma. You can export them as high-resolution PNG or JPG images. PNGs are great for transparency, while JPGs offer smaller file sizes. Make sure the export settings are optimized for your presentation software, typically around 1920 by 1080 pixels for widescreen. This ensures clarity and prevents pixelation. Finally, open your preferred presentation software, like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Import the exported images, placing each one on a separate slide. Set each image as the background for its respective slide. This method preserves your Figma design perfectly. You can then add any interactive elements, transitions, or animations directly within the presentation software if desired, enhancing the overall experience for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.